Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome past District Governor Ravi Vadlamani.
Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to talk to you about happiness. Today I'm going to talk to you about passion. Today I'm going to talk to you about crazy people. And today I'm going to talk to you about literacy heroes, all rolled into one. And I'm also sharing some secrets how each one of us can become a literacy hero. Yesterday when we saw that program of literacy heroes, I was inspired. I'm sure all of you were inspired. I've seen a young headmaster at the age of 16 who was passionate to teach children. I've seen an old man of 73 years who want to teach for children. So I said I must become a literacy hero. And today I'm going to tell you about happiness, about literacy heroes, friends. First about happiness. All of us wanted to talk about happy schools because that is what makes a difference for a child. That is what makes not only education and total education, but quality education. So there are several parameters that have been introduced in what is a happy school. One, of course, it must be safe, it must be secured, the building must be well maintained and painted. It must have good water facilities, it must have good sanitation, separately for both boys and girls. It must have a lovely library. They must all have uniforms, they must have footwear, and of course, the staff should also have a nice room and they must be well trained. This was happiness prescribed to us. And if this happens, the child will not drop out, the child will become healthy, the child will become a bright child, and the education of the child will improve. And when we designed this, I received a call this Rotary year from Shekhar. And Shekhar said, Ravi, we must start happy schools with a gusto in July. And knowing Shekhar as I knew, something was happening. I asked him, what do you want us to do, Shekhar? He said, I want you to collect books and make libraries for children. I said, yeah, what is your target? He said, Shekhar, we all know, said 500,000. I said, what? Let's do 1 million. And we designed it, 1 million books for 1 million smiles. We launched a program. Little bit we realized the power of Rotarians, the magic of Rotary, the energy of Rotarians, the enthusiasm of Rotarians. Lo and behold, we created 2 million books and we realized the potential and power of Rotary, my friends. The magic of Rotary at work. And so we said, we must do happy schools. And so we went on and embarked the journey of doing happy schools. What a tremendous response from districts. Being a chartered accountant, I'm very poor at numbers. So I'm going to talk about some crazy governors. I'm going to talk about some crazy DLCCs who are doing some great work and mad work. First, the host district. We have a district literacy chair called Ravi. And I have this theory. All Ravis in Rotary are crazy. All Ravis in Rotary are mad. But all Ravis make good Rotary leaders. And this man is not a past governor. He's just a past president. And you've seen him yesterday tying up for 100 e-learning centers, collecting $500,000 from Tata Technologies. But it didn't end there. He's collected for 16 schools, happy schools, a sum of 80 lakhs. And it doesn't end there. He's going to collect 5 crores from ONGC to do 100 happy schools across the coast of India, not just Pune. Give him a big round of applause. Ravi, I'm sure you're here. Crazy people, happy people. I must tell you this. Past District Governor Vilas of the home district, this guy said, I'm going to do 150 happy schools. And we were setting 1,000 schools for the whole of India. One man wants to do 150 happy schools on school development. And this year alone, he started that work in 37 schools. And we go to Ganesh Bhatt. His district alone has done 107 happy schools by one Rotarian called Kishore. We go to Dr. Mohan Prasad of 3020. This governor and his crazy DLCC want to do 200 happy schools. We go to 3150 and that is the icing on the cake. They have already evaluated 600 government schools and they want to do 600 happy schools. Friends, our target of 1,000 schools looked very small. But listen to this. It all started with what we call as one school at a time. I have received in August itself from my Rajendra Rai, my good friend, and my team member. While talking about team members, we have a crazy team members in the Happy School Committee. Pastor Sitkiran Bal, Ramesh Agarwal, Nitin Daftriya, and latest edition is Rajkumar. All of us are crazy. And he said, we have built, Rotary Club of Bangalore has built this Rotary year a happy school at a cost of 23 lakhs. And that's not all. They want to, the Rotary Club of Bangalore itself want to do 30 happy schools. So Shekhar said, Ravi, this target of 1,000 looks very small, friends. We are doing crazy and bigger things and making people happy, making schools happy. And I must tell you this, if you do happy schools, you're doing a sustainable long-term project. You're creating brand for Rotary. You know what happens? If every school is painted blue, if every school has a Rotary wheel, and every school is well maintained, the children who come out will be called children from the Rotary school. Imagine that, friends. What kind of branding that will happen. Imagine all these children, where is a Rotary school? In the village. That will happen. And I'm going to tell you how you can become a literacy hero. Each one of us has the potential to do a happy school. All it costs is 5 lakhs to 6 lakhs. Do a happy school yourself. Every Rotarian in this country can do a happy school, my friend. Every Rotarian. I've decided that I must go back and do 2 happy schools. So each of you must do 1 happy school and become a literacy hero. Balbirs and Babars and uncles are there in each one of you, and I want each one of you to become a literacy hero. Thank you.